Okay, we're here with Apox. Everyone out there on rockrockmusic.com. Apox, tell us a bit about yourself and what you're doing. You're back in the country from...
Of course, bro. I'm Apox, and I've been doing music with Ocean. We've been running around Hawaii doing music here and there. And I'm just about to launch my Fairy Tale album. I'm just trying to have a lot of fun, just enjoying the hype. I just want to get out there and just belt out some numbers and all that and see the crowd and all that. I'm just so excited to music. Music is just so special that it kind of unites people together. I'm just amazing to meet wonderful people through my career, and it's just amazing, man. I'm just excited.
Awesome. So what, this is your first album?
Yeah, this is my first album, my first solo album. I recorded 10 tracks on the album. I think it's a really cool album. I'm trying to relate, a life's real issue to other people. People listen to the songs. It's not only about the beats. It's about the lyrics as well. So when people listen to the lyrics and all that, they try to absorb the message in the lyrics, and they try to learn things from there. So I'm trying to, kind of educate people through music and all that. So I kind of think that's awesome. That's cool. Music is such a universal kind of language that everyone listens to music and all that. They kind of, fall together. They kind of unite and all that. So that's all my message. I'm just trying to enjoy music. Just trying to make use of what God has given me, the talent that I have and all that. It's just amazing, man. It's like I'm dreaming.
Yeah, no, great. So you've been in Hawaii for the last, what, 5 years?
Oh yeah, bro. I enjoyed all my time in Hawaii. I went to school over there. I graduated with a bachelor's degree in international business management.
Okay.
And look at that, I'm doing music right now. It's just what has business got to do with it, But
music can be a business,
along the line, I could be able to use my knowledge to just run my own thing.
Yeah.
And that's what I'm excited about, just so that I can have enough knowledge up here so I can just manage myself well.
Yeah, no, that's awesome. Good to see. Okay, so you'll be here for in PNG for the next 6 months?
Yeah, I'm gonna be here for the next 6 months or so, and then I'll probably make myself, available overseas. I'm trying to make some international records and all that, and try to get into the mainstream kind of thing. I'm trying to put Papua New Guinea on the map. Hey, PNG rocks, man.
Yeah,
PNG music rocks. I'm telling you, man.
Yeah.
Rock music rocks. I'm telling you.
Thank you. Thanks for the plug there. Yeah. Okay, awesome. Well, we'll be watching you tonight, so thanks a lot for that.
Nice, man. Nice meeting you, and nice, just coming here and having interviews and all that. Nice meeting friends and all that. Music is awesome. Everybody get into music. We'll unite the world in music. That's my message right there, bro.
Okay, thank you.
Sweet ass.
There you have it. Apox here at his album launch. The Fairy Tale album launched at POM CC. This is rockrockmusic.com.
Cool, man. Cheers, everyone. Cheers. Aloha.